In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures in the KuCoin app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app right here, we can now go to the futures trading by simply going down here to futures. Then we get to this tab right here. First of all, I want to show you right here, you can see how much funds you have available in your futures account on KuCoin. If you need to add something, just click on this button and then swap it between the different accounts on your KuCoin account. If you don't have any money yet on KuCoin, you need to go to assets first right here, click on deposit, choose the cryptocurrency, and then you can easily send money here. If you need more tutorials on that, I have many more videos on how to deposit money on KuCoin on my channel. Alright, so now let's jump into the trading platform right here. First of all, up here you can choose the trading pair that you want to trade, so we can see all these different coins. Let's stick with Bitcoin for now. And right next to it we have this button, which is important, where you can have a quick look at the price chart. So you can see all the different time frames that you can choose up here, so you can easily see what the price is doing. If you tap on here again, it will be minimized again. Down below we can see the order book on the left side and our control center on the right side, where we can open our trades. So here we can choose our leverage, select the order type, choose the position size, add a take profit or stop loss, and eventually down here go long or short. Right below it, we can see this area where we will later on see our opened positions or open orders or our history. And now let's open our first long trade. So we simply go up here for the margin mode. Let's choose isolated for the beginning. Next to it, we can choose our leverage. Let's leave that at a 5x for now. And down below, let's choose market to open the order immediately. Down below, we can now set the position size. We have different options. If you click on that right here, we can either set it by amount in BTC, in USDT, or by cost in USDT. That means how much of our own money we are using. So my personal favorite is order by value, because now I can just say I want to have an entire position size of $500. And then down here under margin, I can see directly how much of my own capital I'm using for this trade. In this case, around about $100 times the 5x leverage will equal the entire position size of $500. So that's how these three right here play together. Next up, I can also add a take profit or stop loss if I want to do that. And then I can just simply type in the prices. Let's say I want to have my take profit at, let's say, $72,000 and my stop loss at $67,000. And then I have that all set up in here. Let's click on buy long down here, confirm everything. And now we are already in our first trade. If we scroll down a bit, we can also see our trade down here with all the important information. First, we can see it's a Bitcoin trade, long with a 5x leverage. We can see our unrealized profit right here as a dollar value and as a percentage. Down here, we can see our position size in total, the $500. It's a little less because in the background, it needs to be rounded to an even BTC value, I think 3 digits after the decimal point. So it can be a bit off, especially if we use these smaller values in here. But overall, this is the $500. This is the $100 of margin, which is also a bit lower, as you can see. And we can also see our entry price where we entered the trade, the current price on the right side here, and the liquidation price. Liquidation price would mean if we don't have a stop loss in this trade, which we currently do, but let's say we don't have one and the price would fall down to this value in here, then this entire trade right here would be liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin down here. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss beforehand, which we did down here at the $67,000. The entire trade is closed. If you want to edit that, you can of course cancel that take profit and stop loss down here and click on TPSL. Here you can add new ones for your entire trade or also only parts of your position that you can choose right here. But that's how you can also quickly, easily edit your take profit and stop loss later on. Last thing I didn't mention yet is the realized P&L right here. That's if you close parts of your trade, take some profits or losses out of your opened trade, then you will see them down here. So that's the first thing in here, but also what goes in here are funding fees or general order fees for opening the trade, which we paid at the beginning. That's why there's a few cents in here. All right, so next up, I want to show you how you can increase and decrease your position size later on, because the $500 right here, we can easily increase that by just going back here and do as if we would open another trade. Let's go to buy, market. Let's say I want to add another $200 to this position size. Now let's go for 250 actually. Then I can just click on buy long in here, confirm, and then you will see now we've increased our position size to around about $700. Again, it's rounded in the background a bit if we use these small values. And our margin is also increased to $136 now. So that's how you can increase your trade. If you want to do the opposite, decrease it, just go down here to close, choose how much percent you want to close. Let's say I want to close 50% for now. Choose market to do it immediately right now. Click on confirm, and then you will see I've now closed half of my trade and my position size is down to 340 and my margin down to around about $70. Lastly, you can also edit your leverage later on because the 5x leverage we've put in here at the beginning is not set in stone forever for this position. You can also edit that later on by just clicking on this pen icon right here. And now you can either increase or decrease your leverage, and you can also see what the effect of that is. So if you increase your leverage, let's say to an 8x in here, you can see your margin gets lower. So you have some freed up capital that you can then later use for whatever you want. But your risk increases a bit and your liquidation price also increases. So that's the thing that changes when you increase your leverage. And if you decrease it, you can see that you need some additional margin that will be pulled inside of this trade, but therefore your liquidation price will be lowered. So that's how you can easily also adjust your leverage at any time later on. All right, so in the end, let's close this entire trade. I want to show you how you can do that too. Just click on market close all right here, confirm, and then you're also out of this entire trade with just one click. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.